Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Get ready for the brand new Guess the Snacks and Junk Food by Emojis. Subscribe the channel and let's go. Number 1. That's an amazing start. It's rice cake. Doritos is the correct answer. What about this one? Fantastic! This is Kit Kat. Number 4. Would you rather? This is corn nuts. Number 6. Guess the correct one. The correct answer is kettle chips. You are awesome! It's French fries. Would you rather ordinary fries or cheese fries? Looks like you're enjoying this video. If you do, like and share this video. Combos is the correct answer. Next one. That's right, it's Butterfinger. You are a genius. Do you know this junk food? Pizza rolls is the answer. That's amazing! This is fruitcake. Number 14. Pick one. Kick one. Can you recognize these emojis? This is Twinkies. It's Planters peanuts. Next question. That is a wonderful answer. Number 18. Which one is this? That's jelly beans. Takis is the correct answer. Can you guess the snack? This is Chex Mix. Number 21. You are correct. It's cheese sticks. You nailed it! It's Milky Way! What about this one? Swiss rolls is the correct answer. Number 24. Pick one, kick one. Which one is this? That is correct. It's Choco Chips cookies. You are awesome. It's popcorn. This is Cheerios. Do you know this snack? Animal crackers is the correct answer. Number 29. It's trail mix. That's great. This is Fritos. Would you rather Fritos or Doritos? Can you guess this junk food? Nuggets is the correct answer. Number 33, guess the snack and junk food. This is Sun Chips. That's awesome! It's sour candy. Number 35. The correct answer is frozen yogurt. Can you guess this one? This is zebra cake. Nice job! This is onion rings. Can you guess which one is this? It's chickpeas. That's great! This is cupcakes. Number 40. This is the last one. Brownie is the correct answer. Watch the other videos on this channel, and I will see you in the next video.